Go into your bathroom and look closely at your face after you wash it. Not immediately. Wait 5 minutes. Does the skin around your mouth begin to feel tight? Do your cheeks feel dry, even though they looked perfectly clean a moment ago? Maybe your forehead still feels a little oily, so you wash it again. Or you reach for a toner, an exfoliating pad, and several different serums because you assume your face simply needs more products now. Then you apply moisturizer, but it seems to disappear. Your skin still feels dry underneath, makeup settles into every little line, and by the afternoon, your face somehow feels tight and oily at the same time. Many women accept this as part of getting older. They tell themselves, I am over 50 now. Of course my skin is dry. Of course it looks dull. This is simply what happens. But I want to share something my Korean mother taught me many years ago. Your skin may not be asking for another expensive product. It may be asking you to stop washing away everything that protects it. That tight feeling after cleansing is not proof that your face is wonderfully clean. It can be a sign that you have removed too much of the natural oil and moisture your skin uses to protect itself. After 50, skin often produces less oil than it once did. This can make it feel drier and more sensitive, which means that protective layer becomes even more important. If you wash your face with very hot water, scrub it until it squeaks, rub it with a towel, and then leave it bare while you finish the rest of your evening routine, even the finest moisturizer must work against damage that never needed to happen. My name is Grace, and I share the Korean beauty, food, and healthy aging wisdom my mother passed down to me. My mother never had a bathroom cabinet filled with 20 different bottles, but she understood something that took me years to appreciate. Caring for your skin is not about attacking it, it is about protecting it. Today, I am going to show you the face washing method she taught me, adapted for skin after 50. It is gentle, simple, and inexpensive. Once you understand why each step matters, you may never wash your face the old way again. First, look at your hands. Before your fingers touch your face, wash them properly with soap and water. This may sound too obvious to mention, but think about everything your hands touch during the day. Your phone, door handles, shopping carts, keyboards, kitchen surfaces, and countless other things. If you begin splashing your face with unwashed hands, you are transferring the day directly onto your skin. My mother always washed her hands first. She treated her face like something delicate, not like another dish waiting beside the sink. Next, decide whether your face needs one cleanse or two. If you wore makeup, water-resistant sunscreen, or several heavy products, begin with a cleansing oil, cleansing balm, or gentle makeup remover. Apply it according to the product's directions and move it carefully across your skin. This first step helps loosen makeup, sunscreen, and products that may not come away easily with a regular water-based cleanser. Use the soft pads of your fingers and move slowly around your nose, chin, and hairline. These are the areas where makeup and sunscreen are often left behind. Do not press hard, do not pull at your skin, and do not rush around your eyes. Depending on the product, you may add a little lukewarm water until the cleanser becomes milky, then rinse it away gently. If you wore very little makeup and only a light sunscreen, one gentle cleanse may be enough. Double cleansing can be useful when you have something substantial to remove. It is not a command that every woman must follow every morning and every night. More cleansing does not automatically mean cleaner or healthier skin. That was one of my mother's most important rules. Do what your skin needs today, not what a beauty routine orders you to do every day. Now we come to the water. Not hot, not icy cold, lukewarm. Hot water can feel wonderful, especially during winter, but your face is not a towel that needs to be boiled clean. Very hot water can remove protective oils and leave mature skin feeling even drier. Cold water does not magically close your pores either. Pores do not open and close like tiny doors. Use comfortable, lukewarm water. If the water makes your face noticeably red or uncomfortable, it is too hot. Wet your face gently and then take a small amount of mild cleanser. You do not need a handful. A modest amount is usually enough. Choose a cleanser made for the face that leaves your skin feeling comfortable instead of tight. It does not need to produce mountains of foam to work properly. A large amount of foam can feel satisfying because we have been taught to associate bubbles with cleanliness. But bubbles do not tell you whether a cleanser is right for your skin. The feeling afterward tells you far more. Now we arrive at the mistake many women make without realizing it. They scrub. They use a rough washcloth, cleansing brush, sponge, or exfoliating pad every night because they believe they must remove old skin to uncover brighter skin underneath. But mature skin is not an old floor. You do not restore it by sanding it down every evening. Use your fingertips and very light pressure. Move them slowly across your forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and jawline. Pay attention to the folds beside your nose, your hairline, and the area underneath your jaw. These are the places people frequently miss. Be especially gentle around your eyes. The skin there is delicate and does not need aggressive rubbing. You are not trying to force dirt out of your pores. You are simply helping the cleanser loosen makeup, sunscreen, excess oil, and the residue that has collected during the day. 20 to 30 seconds of careful cleansing is usually more helpful than several minutes of scrubbing. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Take your time around the hairline, beside your nose, and beneath your jaw. Cleanser left in these areas can contribute to irritation. Use your clean hands to rinse until the cleanser is completely gone. Now comes the step my mother was strictest about. Do not leave your face dripping while you walk around the bathroom, brush your teeth, choose your pajamas, or decide which serum to use. Take a clean, soft towel and gently press it against your skin. Do not rub upward. Do not rub downward. Do not drag the towel across your face at all. Press and lift. Press and lift. Your face should remain slightly damp, not dripping wet and not completely dry. Then apply your moisturizer promptly. This small moment can make a meaningful difference. Moisturizers help reduce water loss from the skin. Applying one while your skin is still slightly damp helps hold on to some of that moisture. If you wait until your face feels completely dry and tight, much of the water sitting on the surface has already evaporated. My mother did not give this step a special name. She simply never allowed freshly washed skin to sit bare. Cleanse gently, press with the towel, and moisturize while the skin still holds a little dampness. That was the rhythm. If you already use a hydrating toner or serum that your skin tolerates well, you can apply it before your moisturizer. But you do not need 7 layers simply because you watch someone else use 7 layers. Korean skincare is often presented as a long list of compulsory steps. People speak about 10-step routines as though every Korean woman follows exactly the same instructions. That was never the lesson my mother gave me. Her method was about applying gentle hydration thoughtfully and noticing how the skin responded. Your routine might include a hydrating serum followed by moisturizer. It might simply be moisturizer. The correct number of steps is the number your skin can comfortably tolerate and you can follow consistently. At night, dry skin may benefit from a slightly richer moisturizer. During the day, complete your routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Gentle washing can help protect your skin's natural barrier, but it cannot protect your face from ultraviolet exposure. Sunscreen remains one of the most important parts of protecting your skin from additional sun damage. There are also several things I do not want you putting on your face. Do not wash mature skin with a harsh body soap simply because it makes your face feel squeaky clean. Do not use very hot water. Do not scrub your face every day with sugar, salt, rough towels, stiff brushes, or abrasive sponges. Do not assume that tingling and burning mean a product is working. And please, do not treat every Korean kitchen ingredient as skincare. Rice water, lemon juice, baking soda, and other homemade mixtures are constantly presented online as ancient Korean beauty secrets. But natural does not automatically mean gentle, clean, or suitable for your skin. My mother cooked with many wonderful ingredients. That did not mean she rubbed all of them onto her face. If something burns, causes strong stinging, produces persistent redness, or makes your skin painfully tight, stop using it. Skincare should not hurt to prove that it works. If you have eczema, rosacea, persistent acne, unexplained irritation, or a changing spot on your skin, speak with a qualified medical professional. A face washing method cannot diagnose or treat every skin condition. Now let us talk about the beauty industry for a moment. There are cleansers that foam, cleansers that polish, cleansers that tingle, brushes that rotate, pads that peel, and devices that promise to pull years of dirt from your pores. They make ordinary skin sound like a problem that must constantly be corrected. First, you are sold something powerful enough to leave your face dry. Then you are sold another product to replace the moisture the first product removed. When that does not feel like enough, you are sold another serum, another mask, and another treatment. Soon you have 12 bottles and still believe your skin is failing. But your skin is not a kitchen counter. It is a living protective barrier. Sometimes the most useful change is not adding another treatment. It is becoming gentler with the skin you already have. That is the Korean wisdom my mother gave me. Not perfection, not a miracle ingredient, and certainly not the promise that a woman should reach 60 without a single line on her face. She taught me consistency. She protected her skin from harsh water, rough hands, and unnecessary products. She moisturized before her face became tight. She protected herself from strong sunlight. She followed these small habits every day instead of searching for one dramatic treatment after the damage had already happened. So here is the complete method again. Begin with clean hands. If you wore heavy makeup or water-resistant sunscreen, loosen it first with an appropriate oil cleanser, cleansing balm, or makeup remover. Use lukewarm water. Massage a mild facial cleanser over your skin with your fingertips and light pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds. Rinse carefully, especially around your nose, jaw, and hairline. Press your face gently with a clean, soft towel. Leave the skin slightly damp. Then apply your moisturizer before your face becomes dry and tight. During the day, finish with sunscreen. That is all. No aggressive scrubbing, no burning hot water, no need to make your face squeak, no complicated 10-step performance required. Try the method and pay attention to how your skin feels several minutes after washing. Does the area around your mouth still feel tight? Do your cheeks feel more comfortable? Does your moisturizer spread more easily? Your skin will tell you more than the bubbles in your sink ever could. Do not judge your face by how much the cleanser foams or how tight your skin feels afterward. pay attention to comfort. Clean hands, lukewarm water, gentle fingers, a soft towel, moisturizer while the skin is still slightly damp. My mother never believed that caring for your skin should feel like a battle. She believed the way you touched your face every day mattered more than any miracle product you used once in a while. After 50, your skin does not need harsher treatment. It needs more patience, more protection, and a gentler pair of hands. That is the Korean method my mother taught me, and it is still the way I care for my skin today.